So today we applaud those that have been with us through the years and those who have emerged worthy of recognition in the various events that they joined in. Thank you for being part of the PPSC family. We look forward to a future filled with even greater achievements. Happy anniversary, congratulations, cheers, and welcome.
Happy 30th anniversary, PPSC! Happy 30th anniversary, PPSC!
Sa amin ang pagbati sa PPSC sa kanyang 30th anniversary. Sabay-sabay tayo. Happy 30th anniversary!
So, as we commemorate the 3 decades of the Philippine Public Safety College, we reflect on the journey taken and the achievements attained. PPSC has not only imparted knowledge and skills, but has also nurtured a sense of duty, responsibility, and service among its students and employees. The anniversary of the PPSC marks not only a journey of educational excellence, but also a testament to the dedication and commitment of our loyal and long-serving individuals.
Today, napaka-importanting araw and we have every reason to celebrate. Maybe 30 years from now, andito pa ang PPEC, baka iba lang ang pangalan, baka university na. It is not impossible because it is part of our dream. Kaya for that, cheers to another 30 years of PPEC.